Hi there, welcome to my channel where I show you how simple and inexpensive natural hair can be. So if you are interested in that, make sure you go down below and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video because you don't want to miss it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share. I put it up on my IG stories asking like what hair tutorials do you guys want to see from me, and a lot of people responded with twists and a lot of people also responded with flat twists. So I decided, you know what, why not put them both together in this video and serve it. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm going to be doing a style that consists of twist and flat twist, and I'm going to show you exactly how I flat twist and how I do my twist. I've got you covered in this video, so make sure you keep watching. Watch till the end. Okay? And also, if you still haven't done it, like and subscribe. I mean, it's down there and I'm pretty sure it's free. So you can just tap it, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into the video. You're gonna be partying a lot and all of that, so if your hair is shrunken, it's gonna be more tangly and more stressful. So it's better if you just stretch your hair before you put your hair in a style. Keep that in mind. Now the kind of style I'm gonna be doing is that type of style where like there's a little bit of flatness, either cornrows or flat twists over here, while the rest of the hair is twists or braids. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Cantu where's the front? The Cantu curling cream right here. Just a tinkering, tintiny bit like this, you know? In case you don't understand what I mean by tintiny, look at it. I just dip my finger in it like this, like that. I just add it to that section. Make sure you get the ends. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use my finger and separate this section into two like this, okay? I'm gonna leave my finger over there like this. You see that? My finger is in the middle of the section, and with my finger right there, I'm just gonna twist it like this. And you see that? Twisted. So I'm just gonna like twist this, and I'm just gonna keep putting them over each other. Make sure you twist the section before you turn, okay? I hope I'm making sense here. Twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn. And that's how you're just gonna keep doing it all the way down toward the end. When you get toward the end like this, you need to like detangle with a very small tooth comb, like a rat tail comb. Detangle your ends so that they can better gel together. It makes things a whole lot easier, and it makes sure that the twist doesn't like unravel. Your twist just stays like secure. See that? See how good that looks? That is how your twist should be looking. I feel like you don't get it. Do you understand what I'm saying, or am I gonna have to make another tutorial about this? If you understand what I'm saying, please comment down below, and if you don't, still comment down below so that I'll know whether or not I'm supposed to come back and do like another, like maybe a better tutorial. I'm gonna sit down and really think about how I can explain this to y'all, because I've been twisting my own hair for the longest, and now I don't even know if I can teach it anymore because I just get down and start twisting my hair. Like it's not even a thing I think about anymore. So I don't know if I am properly explaining this to y'all. Let me just try to show you guys another way that you can do this twist thing, because I feel like you guys weren't getting what I was saying before. I don't know why, but I'm gonna explain it again. You divide the section into two, okay? At least that you should understand to that point, right? Because it's a two-strand twist, so you divide the section into two. So you go to the very beginning of the sections like this, and you kind of just like put them over each other first, then you begin to twist. I don't think there's another way I can explain this thing, right, other than twist and turn. Because really that's all you're doing. You're twisting, then you're turning, then you twist, then you turn, like that, okay? I hope you can understand what I'm doing. Twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, like that, okay? Because if you just put them over each other without twisting, the twist is going to be very loose and it won't last at all. So this twisting thing that you do before you turn, like that kind of just gives it this shape and form and helps it to like last longer and look like an actual twist. So you do that all the way up to the ends. Make sure you detangle your ends properly before you continue, because you never know, you might get a really good twist out of this. Yeah, you can see how nice these are looking. So I hope you guys like understand what I am seeing. There are two different ways that I've seen people twist. Some twist toward the left while some others twist toward the right. So I don't really know which one is left and which one is right, but I know I twist one particular way, but there's another way to do it. I'm gonna try to explain it to y'all. This is my right hand and this is my left hand. So I twist to the left, but some people twist the other way, which is to the right. So what you do is you take those two sections, you make sure the roots are a little bit twisted before you put them together, okay? And you just keep going from there. I hope y'all can understand. So you twist before you grab, okay? So you twist, then you grab, then you twist, then you grab, then you twist, then you grab, twist and grab, twist and grab. And that's how you keep doing it all the way till the end. You twist and grab, twist and grab, twist and grab. I think that's pretty simple for y'all to understand. Twist and grab, okay? You see that it's kind of different. Like this one's facing one side and this one's facing the other side. You can see the difference. So there are different ways that people twist their hair, and I've just shown you the two different ways. So I'm just gonna go twist all of this off camera, then I'm gonna get to the flat twist tutorial, okay? So I'm ready to do this side now, and this is the side where I will be doing flat twists. So let's see if I can explain flat twists for y'all. Let's take a moment to like appreciate my twists. Like they are looking so good right now. Like now let's get to the not so fun part. Just like a kind of straight but kind of slant type of part like this. Take a little bit of my curl cream and apply that on my ends. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of my edge control, because that's what I'm gonna use to start from my edges over here. All right, we're good. So I'm gonna take this first front section, okay, and I'm gonna divide that into two, and I'm just gonna twist it like this. And then the next time I want to twist, I use my finger to take some more hair from the back, and then I twist again. Then you grab some more hair, and then you twist. Grab some more hair, and you twist. As you can see, it's going all the way back. Grab some more hair, and you twist. Grab some more hair, and you twist. And just keep going back like that, grabbing a little bit more hair as you go toward the back, and keep twisting. When you're done, you just twist till the very end. And remember what I said about twisting, okay? You twist, then turn, twist, then turn, twist, and turn, all the way down to the end, and boom, you've got yourself a nice little flat twist. Don't forget as well, the ends of your twist, make sure you detangle them with a small tooth comb or a rat tail comb, whatever you call it, and just when you get to the end, make sure you twirl, and boom, you've got yourself a nice little flat twist. So I'm gonna repeat that a couple more times so that, you know, for the people that didn't really get or see what I was saying, let me adjust the camera to face up a little more so that you can really see what I am doing, okay? So I'm gonna make another part like this. This one's a little bigger, so it should be a little more visible. The Cantu curl cream on my ends. It's very important that you don't miss this step. If you don't have your Cantu curl cream, you can use any curl cream that you have, or you can just use your moisturizer. Just make sure your ends are like super duper moisturized, okay? Because those are the weakest parts of your hair, and they just need to be very well taken care of before you put your hair in a protective style like this. So that's why I'm doing that. Then you're gonna take your edge control or edge wax or anything you use to lay your edges, could be gel, whatever your edges really, vibe with, and he's gonna take that and use it to start the section. Use it to grab all those little baby hairs in the front, okay? So when you're done with that, you take that first section, like I said before, and you divide it into two, like so, and then you twist it. Then before you make your next twist, you grab a little hair from the back, okay? And then you twist again. Then you grab some more hair from the back, and then you twist, okay? You grab a little hair from the back and then you twist. It's kind of like cornrowing. If you know how to cornrow, this would be really easy for you. And if you don't know how to cornrow, I guess you can comment that down below and I'm gonna make a tutorial on that. So you take some more hair and then you twist. Take some more hair and twist. Take some more hair, twist. And keep doing that till you get to the very end of that section, and then you just twist your hair till the very end. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I think that this is a really cute style and I am actually really loving it. I feel like I should accessorize. Do you think I should accessorize? I should accessorize. I'll be right back. So yeah. So that is the end of this video, guys. I hope I was able to teach you guys properly how to do two-strand twist and flat twist. But if you didn't completely get it, it's fine. You can comment that down below and I'll work on like doing a better tutorial for you guys, because I am here for you, okay? And also for the people that ask me for how to do cornrows, I will definitely get to that, but let me just rock this hairstyle first, and when I'm taking these out, or when I take these out, I'm gonna do cornrows next. So don't worry, I haven't forgotten y'all. Y'all are in my mind, okay? Cornrows definitely on the list. And if you have any other video requests as well, make sure you drop them down below in the comment section. I'm gonna see them and I'm gonna respond to them as quick as I can, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you love this style. I hope I've inspired someone over there. You can do your hair yourself. All you have to do is learn how, and I hope I have helped you today. So make sure you don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with every single person that you know in your life, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.